this video is going to tell you how to make your own calming corner at home. Now, I have a calming corner in my classroom, and it is a great way for kiddos to really think about their own emotions and how they can control it in a safe way. Now, when we're feeling angry or stressed or frustrated, there are some safe ways that we can handle our emotions, and there are some not so safe ways. Now, it's okay to feel those emotions. I feel those a lot, but when it comes to throwing things or stomping our foot or saying mean words to people, that's not a great way to handle those emotions. So a calming corner is a place that you can go that is safe, and you can do lots of different activities to kind of calm and take control of your emotions. So what you can do with a parent or your brothers or sisters is go around your house and pick one place where you can have your calming corner. This place can have a fun chair, maybe some special toys like squish balls or stress balls, and this is going to be a safe place for anyone to go to. Now, when you are maybe doing something that you're not supposed to, or doing something that you were told you can't do, this isn't the place to go for like time out or if you're in trouble. This is a place that you can choose to go whenever you want. Now remember, this is also not a place to go just to play. So if you want to play with your toys, maybe don't put those in the calming corner. Or if you have two toys that are the same, you can have one in the calming corner and one in your play area. I have some links below that can teach you how to make cool things like stress balls and liquid lava lamps that you can look at, or you can also add timers or fun posters. But when you're there, really try to take your time and think about why you're feeling what you're feeling and what you can do to calm down. Some of my favorite things to do are breathing exercises. I also like to color, especially when I'm angry. I'll just scribble, scribble, scribble until I feel a little bit better. Sometimes I'm not even able to say or think about what emotion I'm feeling. I'm just so confused at the time that it's really, really hard. So I have a poster, and I put that in the link below, and it has lots of different faces. It has happy faces, sad faces, angry faces, kind of confused faces. And whenever I go to my calming corner, I can pick which face I'm feeling, and that helps me realize what I need to do to kind of calm myself and take control. Now, other things you can do besides coloring, you can use that stress ball that you can make. You can look at your posters. You can do your breathing exercises. A couple other things to keep in mind is yoga is a great way. Sometimes you just gotta stretch it out. Or if you're near a blank wall, you can put both hands against the wall and just try to push against it as hard as you can. If you're feeling a little bit anxious, you can think about the anxious monster and think about the ways that you can get rid of him. You can think to yourself, hey, anxious monster, go away. And then you can ball him up and pretend to throw him as far as you can. You can also sing your favorite song. And if you're able to, you can draw a picture of those words and put them in your calming corner as a reminder. I hope these are some helpful ideas and helpful tips. Remember, parents, you can go to this calming corner too and set a good example about when you're frustrated or angry, you can just go to the calming corner for a little bit. If you have any questions or need anything from me, you can always email me or send me a message in the Seesaw app. Bye!